This is my outfit for today, but it doesn't have pockets. Where am I going to keep my tiny dinosaurs? Let's insert a pocket. Cut out 2 pocket bags. These should fit your hand inside. And they go together. Figure out where you want the pocket to be. And pin on the seam. Going to mark where the top and bottom of the pocket are so that we know where we need to unpick. Plus we're going to add a bit at each end. If you've got an overlocked end, cut the threads at either end, release a few stitches and then pull the long tail. It will gather up until it reaches the cut threads at the other end. And then the whole thing will pull out, and then all of your stitches will come undone. Nice and quick way, not messy, to get rid of a overlocked edge. Now we have an open seam between the 2 pins. Now we're going to attach the 2 sides of the pocket bags along the raw edge that we've just opened on both sides, right sides together. So the part of the pocket that your hand will touch should be facing the nice part of your fabric. The seam allowance for this is going to be dependent on how far in the original stitching line for this seam was. We're going to sew along it so that when we flip the pocket inside out, this folds back under and is the same distance as it was when you had the t-shirt be one piece. So now we're going to turn these pocket flaps into a pocket bag. We're going to fold them inside. We are going to put everything together. We're going to pin all the way around, making sure that these extra bits that were unpicked are lined up, are flat up together on both ends. And you're going to pin all the way around the outside. We're then going to stitch from where the line of stitching was all the way down. We're going to come a little bit into where the pocket starts. We're going to go right around the edge of the pocket. We're going to come back to the inside and then down and meet the old line of stitching. What we have now, it is stitched up to and over, back and forth a few times on the original stitching so that doesn't come unraveled, all the way around, back down, and then the same at this end. I have notched around the edge so it's not too bulky on the inside, and now all we need to do is turn it inside out and then give it a little press. Now we're going to press the pocket towards the direction that you would use it, so that's usually the front of the garment. It'd be a bit strange otherwise. So for me, this is towards the front bottom placket. Line up the original seam, make sure that that's not folded in any way, and just give that a little press. Just making sure that the pocket bag is completely hidden into the seam. And there you have it. Cheeky little pocket. That's it. Quick and simple pockets. I can fit so many dinosaurs in this bad boy.